Hi guys, so this is our VPC design. Well, like everything we have, and that needs to be put in. So organization gets divided into MGMT, non-MGMT, and then in non-MGMT we have three groups, which is IT, business, data center, uh, and then we have database, web applications. Alright, so this is the diagram that I got so far, and I don't know if you guys remember, but we had exact same thing we discussed in the IP addressing chapter. Okay, and the old logic that we talk about 10.0.0.0, after that the second level gets the 22, the third level gets the 8, and the last level gets whatever the machine IP is. Machine addresses, but now we're going to have one more level, which is where basically the machines are going to sit. So this model is going to fail here, right? Because now let's go back to that diagram. And I'm just going to remove like whatever, just one level. So we don't need, well, we need them, but like for the illustration purposes, it will be just easier to look at one set. Okay, so we're going from organization to non-management to data center to applications to EC2 instance. All right, so we got 5 levels, but with our old model we can just use 4 levels, correct? So that's why IP addressing is a bit more complicated, and that's what we're going to look into next.